Are you looking to make your Gmail experience more dynamic and interactive? Well, you're in luck because Gmail has introduced a new feature called Dynamic Email. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Dynamic Email on Gmail on your PC. Step 1. Open gmail.com on your web browser. Step 2. From the top bar, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. Step 4. From the General section, scroll down until you find the option for Dynamic Email. Step 5. Click on the toggle button to enable Dynamic Email. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the settings. Step 7. A confirmation pop-up will appear, confirming that Dynamic Email has been enabled. Click on OK to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Dynamic Email on your Gmail account. Now you can enjoy the interactive and engaging features that Dynamic Email has to offer. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your email experience.